walking back to the house and I hear something falling, and I'm like, what's that? And see if we can zoom in enough. There's a little guy up there, a little squirrel, right at the top of the spruce, just chucking cones down. Chucking them. Oh, no, he stopped. Don't be self-conscious. Chuck some more cones. Guess he's self-conscious. Let's see how many cones he chucked down. Yeah, look at all these cones chucked down. That's so funny. Oh, look at that. Speak of the devil. He just chucked a cone at me. Oh, yeah, there goes another one on the other side. That's kind of cool. There's one. Matilda's chucking cones at you. His aim's pretty good, too.